Hey, welcome to a new episode. This one's going to be two unboxing because I got two things in the mail. But now let's head in because I want to go to the bathroom. You may also ask the question, why the heck doesn't he go to the bathroom and make a better video? Because I want to know what's inside. The good question is, this feels heavy, but I really don't know what it is. Because it's in a box, I guess. The interesting part is, both packages are from the same store, but I don't remember if I have brought anything. Oh yeah, this is the pink one. Okay. My ex-girlfriend, we were chatting and she asked if I can order her a pink tripod. So yeah, oh my god, this looks gross. Oh my. But it, the smell. Yeah, but it feels quite okay. Okay, no batteries inside on the remote. Yeah. Oh, okay. Somehow. Oh. Okay. And you close it up. How? How do you close those legs? Do I rotate anything or? I don't get it. Ah, you rotate the bottom bar. Oh. Okay. This is extremely flimsy, but yeah. Okay. Let's check on the price. So on the second page, maybe. Am I even recording at the moment or not? Okay, found it. Yeah, this is 420, and the shop, where's the goddamn shop? Worcester, Worcester, whatever it is. Yeah, $3.95 was my price. So the price has gone up, and the Boo store was the seller. Yeah, I kind of like it. It's pink, ugly, but yeah. Now, for the next item from the same store, or the shipping address is the same. Let's see if the stores are different. No, they have. Whoa! I should show you. Nicely packaged. I don't know if it's. Why is it so hard? You're sending me plastic camera accessories in a bubble wrap bag. Okay, but what the heck are those? What the heck are those? Oh, ew. Yeah, now I remember. This is for my sister because she's breaking every goddamn tripod I'm giving her. I thought this would be stronger to last in her bag. Yeah, this should be quite sturdy. Yeah, this should be quite okay. Oh, this feels nice. Okay. This is much higher quality than the last one. But now let's check what's the price for this thing. Okay. It's not from the same store. Okay, I have... No. This isn't this store. Okay, one item came, but another one is still missing. Okay, maybe it's coming. So the store name is Bulusts or whatever it's called. The item was 195. Let's see the tracking information. Hello, get away. Get away. Your shipment has arrived. Okay. Okay, this is from Bulus store. Really like the quality. It feels good. I like it. And this is for my sis. Okay. Till next time, I have to upload now the photos to Ali, so they will get a rating from me. Till next time, be safe and don't get COVID.